Welcome to MB Tool Reviews. Today on the show we have the 12 volt Parkside SDS drill. This is Lidl's 12 volt SDS drill from their Parkside range, and this is personally one of my favourite tools. It comes with a 2 amp hour battery. It comes with a charger. It comes with this chuck. I think it's a 10mm chuck, which goes into the SDS slot for wood bits or screwdriver bits, which come with the kit. And then I bought this additional 12 volt battery, which is a 4 amp hour. It has the SDS slot in here, SDS plus bit, the general SDS plus bits. It just clicks in as they normally do and clicks out again. It also has the chuck, which again you put in and then you put it to drill only mode rather than hammer drill mode, and then you can put in a range of bits into the chuck. It also features an LED light on the front. When you pull the trigger, it lights up. It's not a very noisy drill. It's certainly quieter than most SDS drills. I mean, it's still going to make noise. It's a hammer drill. So I think this tool is suitable for mainly DIY use, but is also suitable for light trade use if you're an electrician or a plumber or a carpenter and you're just putting up some clips or some shelves, or you just got a couple of holes to do. This is a worthwhile SDS drill rather than carrying a big heavy 18 or 36 volt SDS drill. This is great for little jobs. It'll take a 6mm or 8mm bit. It'll take a larger bit, but it just won't do the job. Anything above 10mm, it probably won't do the job very well. But for 6mm holes and 8mm holes, it's a tremendous tool. I don't have any footage of me using it at the moment, but I'll pop that on the shorts section when I am actually using it. It's just a great tool. It's around £30 to £35 from their special buys, and again the battery is an additional, I believe it's about £10 to £15, but it's even without the extra battery, it's worth it. It's very light, it's very durable. I've used this, I've had it for about 2 years and I've used it repeatedly and I've never had any problems with it. As I said, I've used it for light use. For the heavy use, I use the 18 volt Makita, but this is a great tool, especially for the little jobs. If you're a DIY, this is a must-have. It's only available in Lidl's middle aisle at selected times of the year, or online, probably on eBay. You can probably find one of these. Well worth £35 to £40 easily. Thank you for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe and comment down below for any questions you have about this tool or any other tools or any tools you'd like to see on the channel. Thank you.